Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start with admin rights. You need them to change system behavior. Open Task Manager using Control plus Shift plus ESC and go straight to the Details tab. Once there, scan for DL Lost. EXE entries, these are COM surrogate processes. You're looking to identify which instance spikes CPU or memory. Right-click any suspect and choose Properties to see Path and Publisher. Make sure to note which one is linked to a folder or shell extension before terminating, because that informs the next step. Once you've identified a suspicious DL Lost, EXE, right-click and end task to stop immediate issues. That frees resources so you can work safely. Next, run auto runs or shell X-view with elevated rights to inspect shell extensions. These often load thumbnails and cause COM surrogate to crash. Disable non-Microsoft thumbnail and preview handlers one at a time, and then reproduce the behavior. This isolates the offending extension. When you break the chain, you'll know which extension triggers DL Lost. EXE repeatedly. After isolating the bad shell extension, uninstall or update the associated app to permanently stop COM surrogate windows. Once done, re-enable the other extensions you left disabled, then reboot to confirm stability. If the issue returns, run System File Checker and DISM to repair system files, and check Event Viewer for precise error codes tied to DL Lost. EXE, those codes point to drivers or codecs. If necessary, restore a system point. Make sure to back up settings before any major rollback.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.